Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick share with you guys. This is just an unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp Happy Fall Y'all card kit, and it's going to be really quick. So I'm just going to pull out the items from the box and then we'll go through everything. Alright. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the Happy Fall Y'all kit. And this kit includes the 6x8 Happy Fall Y'all stamp set. Really cute images to stamp in color. These images look like they would be easy to fussy cut, which is good for me because I'm not really good at fussy cutting. I love these large, bold sentiments. Happy Fall Y'all, happy hearts. Then you have a banner sentiment, warm and cozy wishes, full tummies. This one says, hey friend, really little. You're the apple of my pie. Hello autumn. Coffee soon. Hey pumpkin. This one says hi there. So love it. You have an image of a little coffee cup, a teacup, the little birdie. There's the apple pie, pumpkin, the trees. You have an owl, a little bear with a sweater, a tree stump, a heart, some leaves, and mushrooms to color. So a really cute stamp set. And I haven't done much coloring in a long time. I used to color with my alcohol ink markers all the time. Matter of fact, if you look at my past videos from way back, I did a whole lot of alcohol ink coloring. I stopped coloring so much because I had started having lots of wrist pains, and I have had injections in my wrist to help with that, which whenever I get a flare-up, I'll just wear my brace for a while, you know, that sort of thing. So I stopped really coloring a whole lot, but I think I want to try my hand at coloring some of these little images and making some cards. So I think I'll come back on and do a video, maybe a coloring video, and make a couple cards with you guys. So that is the stamp set. It also comes with this really small 2x3 stamp set, and this is the Simon Says Stamp Loving You From Afar, and it has the two little houses, and has the word you and me, has a little heart, and it just says loving you from afar. So that's a cute little stamp set, very appropriate for these days and times that we're going through right now. Alright, and then you get 2 packs of these little stickers. These are little cats and little dogs. And I got a lollipop. Which one is this? Anyways, it's the little Charms lollipop they always send in the kit. A $5 off coupon. You get 2 envelopes in this kit, and this is the burnt orange envelope and the metallic gold envelope, and these are both peel and stick envelopes. What is this? Okay, and looks like you also get 3 of the Simon Says Stamp A2 white scored note cards, which is this right here. And then you get your 12 double-sided sheets of Simple Stories Cozy Days 6x8 paper. And I am just going to flip through here and show y'all. This is a really pretty bold picture. Some florals. Love this pattern. Pretty florals. Here's some a page that you could probably cut apart. It says fall faves, warm drinks, fluffy socks, falling leaves, pumpkin spice, cozy blankets, candles, pumpkins, and pie. That's cute. Some acorns, more florals, polka dots. Here's another large image that says cozy days, and then on the back side you have florals. Really fall, but I love fall most of all. That's cute. And you have this sheet of cut aparts, pumpkin spice and everything nice, pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, give thanks, hello sweater weather. These are great for really simple cards. Like you could just use this for the focal point of your card. Here's some more cut aparts. Grateful, thankful, and blessed. Thankful for you. Happy fall, y'all, and beautiful blessings. And then this is the page on the back of that. Alright, and then you also get your 100 pound card stocks. The burnt orange. Trying to see, this is the cream. You also get the chocolate one, and then you get the 110 pound of the Nina white cardstock, which is probably what I might use to do some stamping coloring on. And then you get, let's see, what is this? The Pink Fresh Studio My Favorite Story Puffy Alpha stickers. So they're white, but if you can see, they have a little gold accent on each letter there. So you get upper and lowercase letters. You get several of each alphabet. Okay, and that is this kit, all the contents of the kit. So I'll come back in another video and do a couple cards using the items in this kit. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please click the link below to subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.